Hey guys, OneManOneCamera here. So right now we're heading for the Railroad Pass Hotel Casino, way out here on the outskirts of Boulder City. Just came back from the from the Worst Damn Car Show, and this casino has a prime rib special. So we're gonna go and check it out.
That's back.
All right, cool. That's the way to do it, right?
It is.
Oh, let's see. What do you guys got here? Congrats on your job. I'm being nosy, sorry.
Yeah, me too.
Yeah, you know. Good luck and everything.
Are you talking to me or somebody else?
Talking to you.
Thank you.
Yeah, hey. Well, it's only a phone in my hand. Who would I be talking to, right?
So whoever's on the other side of that phone. I just need to go get another pad. This is just ridiculous, Georgine.
Hey guys, OneManOneCamera here. It's with the Iron Rail Cafe here at the the Railroad Pass Casino and Hotel. I popped in here. I'm going to try their prime rib. I got the small prime rib, 12 ounces for $22.99. You get a 16 ounce for $32.99. It comes with soup or a salad. I'm sorry, it comes with like a potato fried or mashed or whatever you want, and then soup or a salad. I got the soup today is chicken noodle. So hey, let's see how that goes. And they have a good menu here, you guys. Spaghetti, chicken finger, ground sirloin, fish and chips for $12. Hey, 12 ounce T-bone steak. Interesting place. I made a player's card. And I got $5 in free play. So hey, we'll see what happens here, and hopefully it'll be a nice tasty meal, as we've been pretty lucky on these things, alright you guys? So hey, alright, back in a flash. Yo, check out my little small cup of soup. Good size actually, got crackers on the side, chicken noodle, so let's give it a try. Sorry guys, I am famished and I absolutely inhaled the chicken soup. It was tasty, and then I forgot to put the crackers in there, so there we go. Oh well. Good soup though, not bad at all. Okay, this is a small one, 12 ounces. This thing is huge, you guys. It's massive. I got the fries, get some little vegetables on the side, whatever. The creamy horseradish, the dipping sauce, and I got a bottle of the old A1 just for laughs, right? But this thing is huge. All right, let's dig in.
Smile again. No, he's recording.
Hey guys, we're on the air. Hey, this is OneManOneCamera down at the what's the place called?
Iron Rail Cafe.
At the Iron Rail, we're at the Iron Rail Cafe here at the beautiful Railroad Pass Casino and Hotel. I ordered this massive.
I've got 10, 9, 15, 16.
Prime rib. Let's dig in. Little horseradish. The au jus. I think this is the biggest prime rib I've ever had. I thought it was a small one. It's good, no problem. The staff was wondering, how's the food? It's good. So, ordered medium, right? Cooked well. Horseradish. Not super spicy, not very strong for me, but just tender. Thank you. Carrot, broccoli, and zucchini. A little salt.
you enjoy your ice cream?
Just a little bit. All gone, and I'm stuffed. But I have a carrot cake coming up, so please stand by. All right, you guys. Hey, got dessert. We got a nice little carrot cake here. Check out the carrot, right? With a spoon yet. So, delicious.
Nancy, your order is ready. Nancy, your order is ready.
See over there? That's the train thing. I think it's the train ride, or I believe from Boulder down to here. Huh. Interesting, yeah? Bright sunshine. Alright, overall, a good place. The food was good. The service was nice. I got a player's card, and they give you a $5 credit. But there are two menus down here. There's like a discounted lunch menu type of thing, and then a regular menu. I ordered from the wrong menu because the lunch menu was cheaper, and I think it's a bit smaller, but those things happen. The food was fine. The prime rib was I think it was huge, right? It was tender enough, which I'm happy about that. I'm stuffed. And then I had the carrot cake, which really overdid it. And so now I'm going home. So we're down here in the middle of nowhere, outside of Boulder City, and you want to stop into a small casino, the Railroad Pass Hotel and Casino is a good choice. Also, I forgot to mention is that in that at the truck stop, there's a capriotti sandwich shop, you know, little mini mart type place, get your gas, diesel, and they have showers. And I think the showers are $12 a pop, which is not bad if you're on a long ride and need a shower. This is the place. I did not check if they give you towels, whatever, but it is an option. Guys, I'll do it. I'm going home. See me outside. Say hello back to camera. Have a great day. I am tired, you guys. I'm really tired. Later.